Guys, it's your boy Clownfish, and today we're just going to be doing like a pack opening, guys. 100k pack opening. But yeah, this is my team I just bought 300k in pretty decent team. Just got Inform Elia, Navas and all that. Pretty decent team. I do have Chavi. I'm going to be doing like a giveaway, guys, as well, so just comment on this video. And yeah, let's get straight into this. There are 25k packs out, so we are just going to go for the 25k packs. But yes, first pack. Here's our legitimate team. First pack. Who do we get? Who do we get? I'm not looking. Skip. And we get Bazagli, guys. Not the best pack at all. I thought you only get players in this pack, but not too bad. I'll tell you what, I'll just send out to club and I'll sort this all out later. Just check if that's a kit. How much does this go for? I'm pretty sure I go for a fair bit. No, fuck that, no, don't. Right. No, don't discard. Wrong one. There we go. Right. So, second pack. Open a 7.5k pack. Let's go. Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Shit. Absolute rubbish. What the hell? Ooh. Oh my days, man, alive. Are you seriously joking? I knew this wasn't going to end well, but guys, but I'm doing it for the vine. Right. 80k. Third pack. Who do we get? Who do we get? Skip. Wow! What the hell? We're getting all these good kits and everything. Could have got it before, but no. Give me EA AIDS again. EA AIDS. What? 1,800 coins? Wow, okay, fair dues. Fair dues. Selling for 1,000 ups, fair dues. But yeah, guys, this pack opening has not been the best. Just going to open 7.25k packs, 2 more of these, and then that'll be it. Hopefully we can get someone decent, and we get Smalling. Wow. Oh my god, the badge. The Man United badge. Man United. Oh my god. What is going on, guys? I don't even know this pack opening. No. Just get out of my club already. Last pack, guys. I'm sorry I haven't been the best pack opening. Chris Smalling, there you go. Not the best. Right, last pack. I'm just going to wait up for my Elgato to catch up. And who do we get? David Silva? Oh, he goes for nothing in this game. Jesus Christ, guys. I'm not happy with that. I thought he actually goes for a fair bit in this game, but he doesn't, does he? He goes for like 5k. Does he go for 5k? Does he even go for that? He does, yes, he goes. Alright, Paul, nearly got our money back on that pack, to be fair. Yeah, hopefully the commentary don't keep cutting out, guys, because it did that the other day and I got fairly annoyed with it, so... Oh my god, I just saw like 500k and I was like, oh my god, no way, but no. So guys, it's not been the best pack opening, I do apologise for that. I tell you what, we're going to open one more. Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Let's do the bag crack pack. Oh, and we get Krul. And who's our duplicate? Who's our duplicate? We get no duplicate? What the f... Jesus Christ, we get a keeper, Krul, sick. No, I'm not joking, I'm joking. Sick, get out of my club, bye. But yeah guys, thank you for watching. We didn't really get anyone. David Silva, and that's about it. My mate just did pack Robin. I was like, what the actual hell? But yeah, these are the main players. These are like, my mate just packed another guy that's worth 40k. Wow. But these are like the probably the best players. You just missed David Silva and that. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, peace. Sorry that the commentary's not in time.